Every new kilometre of subsea cable adds to an expanding underwater network that must be installed, surveyed, and maintained. This is a challenge that will define the next decade of global offshore operations. For the engineers and surveyors installing these cables, positional accuracy isn't optional, it's essential, from planning to installation and throughout each cable's operational life. Sonardyne positioning and navigation technologies play a critical role when it comes to successful installation and management of subsea cables. At the heart of this capability is our SPRINT Nav family of hybrid navigation instruments. These high-performance solutions deliver the precise positioning needed to ensure accurate installation and long-term integrity and performance. SPRINT Nav DP gives cable lay vessels the resilience to operate even when GNSS signals are denied, maintaining precise positioning in the harshest offshore environments, ensuring the vessel starts stable and stays stable. When laying subsea cable, an ROV equipped with SPRINT Nav, aided by Sonardyne's Ranger 2 USBL system, is able to accurately survey the cable's touchdown point and the surrounding seabed. Alternatively, the cablefish system is optimised using a bottom-locking SPRINT Nav to provide uninterrupted pinpoint accuracy. This ensures the as-laid cable position is within the specified corridor. During trenching operations, a SPRINT Nav will provide stable position and attitude data, confirming your cable is following the exact as-planned route. Any exposed cable can be protected using a rock installation vessel's 4-pipe system, guided by SPRINT Nav alongside Ranger 2 USBL, ensuring the right volume of rocks are deposited in the right place to sub-meter accuracy. Once operational, regular inspections are vital to monitor long-term cable integrity. To locate and verify buried cables, IVA's Scanfish can be deployed with high-resolution sub-bottom profilers that demand the exceptional high-speed positional accuracy that only SPRINT Nav can deliver. From prelay to installation to inspections over the life of your cable, Sonardyne ensures that your cables end up exactly where planned and perform exactly as they should, safely powering and connecting our planet.